Affiliate Marketing $500 Club. Affiliate Marketing $500 Club. Right from the get-go, just to give you some value, folks. The reason why I say that, and for some of you seasoned marketers, you well know, and some of you don't, when you say your keywords at the beginning of the video, the YouTube algorithms pick up on that, and it helps rank your video. So it's good to say it right from the beginning. Hi, my name is Paul once again, and I'm your online, offline mailman. And the question we raise is, are you still struggling to make money online? I've been right where you are in your shoes. You have this dream in your heart. You want to go after your dream. You want to leave your 9 to 5, especially in this day and age, 2023, and you come online and you start feeling it, man. You're trying to put it all together. Your funnel, your squeeze page, capture page, your autoresponder, going through all the tutorials of the program. You promised 3 clicks and you'll be rich. Set it up, click send traffic, and boom, tomorrow you're going to come into $100,000. Listen, there's no get rich quick, folks. There's no get rich quick. But I'll tell you one thing. When I came to this program, postcards, when I first heard of it, a friend told me about it. I laughed years ago, and I've been doing this over 20 years. I did it all. I know what you're going through. Shiny object syndrome. You get started with a program, and all these other programs come in your face, and you're going every which way. After a year, you're looking crazy, all stressed out. Folks, this is easy. You don't need a computer. You don't need a device. All you have to do is walk to the mailbox, and pretty soon it's going to be your cash box, your secret ATM. This is so simple, and I want to keep it simple. This is the page you're going to be getting. It's $500 to get in, and that $500 doesn't go into anybody's hands. You got these fully automated systems going today that the success coaches get on the phone. You don't have to talk to anybody. Success coaches are going to sell it for you. You know what we just found out? Well, I did anyway. These success coaches are putting the money in their pockets, folks. What a day and age we live in. It's a sad commentary, but that's what's going on. They're keeping the money. Maybe the first few sales they'll give to you, but some of these have upgrades up into 20,000. 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 7,000, 12,000, 15, 20. People are looking to do class action suits. It's way out of hand. But folks, this is the page you'll be getting. You scroll down, and by the way, this particular, you get a 2-page site, this website, and then where they go to order. And I'll show you that in a minute. But if you look at this, are you struggling to make money online? Then go offline with postcards. This is a highly converting page, somewhat like a flyer or postcard. The ones we use are designed almost the same way, but they're highly converting. And just to tell you, the second time I saw this, I purchased for $500. And usually I'm the type of guy, on the average, like everybody else, like even your emails when they're selling a program, you have to see it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times before you purchase. But this one converts. This one converts. And when you go to the bottom, get started, there you go. Congratulations on your decision to join the $500 club. Buy 2 United States Post Office money orders. And by the way, you can do anything. You can do Zelle, your PayPal, whatever your preference is. I have CashApp here. You can do Venmo. And by the way, cash, folks, people are sending cash. I never realized how many people will put that cash in a magazine or in a couple of envelopes, send it priority mail, and you get cash. But you send that right to me, for instance, Paul Barletta, That's me, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. I'm over here on the Jersey Shore. And here's my phone number included, folks. If you want to call me, I answer my phone. If you have any questions before you purchase, I'm here for you. And don't worry, I'm not going to go into the witness protection program after you join me. We have the #1 team, the Dream Team, for the $500 club. We have a lot of good stuff to get you hitting the ground running. We have paid advertising, as well as the postcards. They're inexpensive, and also for those of you who cannot afford it, we have the free traffic Craigslist. And stay to the end. I have an offer for you, and I'll just give you half of it. If you join my team within the next few days, even today, even tonight, I will give you 3 paid Craigslist ads to go out for you. 3 of them. And they should convert. Just a disclaimer, not everyone will make money with any program, including this. But I'll tell you what, with this one, if you work it, it works. And it's a lot easier than doing what you're doing online. If you want to take a break, take a vacation, folks, it feels good to come into a program like this. It feels great. So there you have it. And then after you send the 500, then you go to the admin, which is Brad Kamansky, the founder, the one who put this whole program together. He's been doing postcarding for over 25 years. He's retired now, but he's a good friend of mine. And the next day, or within 2 days, shall I say, conservatively, you will have this website up and running. It'll be yours for $47 to the admin. And that is Brad Kaminsky. And you click there. Brad Kaminsky says it's time to create your success story. And then you send it to his address here. And you're in. Just that easy. It's just that easy, folks. Just that easy. So let's go back up to the top. And let's talk about how we struggle. We struggle, and we struggle, and we struggle, don't we? And it's not for everybody. Over 90% will not make it online. There's a very small percentage. But you have to really, really go the distance. Sometimes it takes years to get up and running. But with postcards, you could be up and running and making money within a week, 2 weeks. The money starts coming in, and the $500 is 100% commission to you, to the mailbox. And if you're doing Venmo, CashApp, it comes to you immediately. What's better than that? We have all the marketing in place for you. Click that tab. We have solo ads going on. We have everything you need. And these are buyer leads. Buyer leads. And they're inexpensive. Usually buyer leads cost a lot. Brad Kaminsky really, really gave this to us as a gift. This is a gift, folks. So, there's not much more to be said. You get this whole website here, and then you get the second page to go with it, and it works, folks. It really does. So click the link in the description. It'll take you back to this page. Let's get you signed up. And the other half of the bonus is I will give you a video marketing course. And I'll even get on the phone over the shoulder and show you how to rank your videos on the first page of Google. I have a software, well, a couple of softwares that I use, and those are free as well. But let's get you going. My phone number is 862-658-2086. Again, 862-658-2086. Call me anytime during the week. I take Sundays off and go to church. I'm a Christian. And you have Christians on this team. And we have integrity. This is an ethical, legitimate business. And I want to show you my shirt. Yep, there it is. Mom gave it to me today. Yep. And I'm loving it. She's a Christian too. Thank God for Christian moms, right? Boy, Christian grandmothers. Whoever sticks around a Christian grandmother for a time, they always wind up successful, right? Thanks be to God. Let's get you started. Sign up today, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm specifically making this channel just for the 500 Club and another little program to go on alongside of it. But hit the notification bell. Like it, please. I appreciate it. Give you a thumbs up. I love you all. God bless you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.